Housecall Pro can take an electrical service job from booking to payment without extra software, and for many electricians, that's enough to clean up the entire business. The problem is electrical work can get more complex than the software is built for. By the end of this, you'll know whether Housecall Pro fits your electrical business, or whether you'll hit its limits too fast. Here's the direct answer. For residential electricians and smaller service teams, Housecall Pro is usually a strong choice. For commercial electrical contractors or larger install-heavy companies, it can feel too basic. Start with the core workflow. A customer calls for a breaker issue, panel upgrade, lighting install, or troubleshooting job. You book the appointment, assign the electrician, and send updates to the customer. That all happens inside one system. That reduces admin. For electricians doing daily service calls, speed matters. Housecall Pro keeps the schedule moving. The mobile app is one of the stronger parts. An electrician in the field can check job details, review service history, upload photos, create invoices, and collect payment before leaving. That speeds up billing. Customer communication is strong too. Automatic reminders and on-the-way notifications reduce missed appointments and make the process feel more professional. That helps with repeat business. Maintenance plans are useful if you offer recurring electrical inspections or service agreements. Housecall Pro can automate those visits. That creates more predictable work. Now, the weak spots. Inventory tracking is limited. Electrical businesses often carry breakers, outlets, wire, fixtures, and panels across multiple vans. Housecall Pro can track simple parts, but deeper stock management gets harder as you scale. That matters for larger teams. Job costing is another limitation. If you want detailed labor tracking, material cost breakdowns, and profitability by phase, Housecall Pro doesn't go very deep. That's a problem for larger installations. Commercial work is where the gap grows. If you're handling multi-week projects, phase timelines, permits, and subcontractors, the platform can feel too light. That's where tools like Simpro or Serviceton usually fit better. So is it worth it? If you're a 1 to 10 electrician team focused on residential repairs, upgrades, and service calls, Housecall Pro works well because it keeps scheduling, customer communication, and invoicing organized. If your work is more project-heavy or inventory-driven, you'll probably outgrow it. The 3 things to remember are simple. Housecall Pro is fast, strong for service work, and easy to use. It gets weaker when electrical jobs get bigger and more complex. The next step is to map how much of your revenue comes from service calls versus larger installs. If this helped, hit like and subscribe.